Hello! Today, we will continue to share the maintenance of Phalaenopsis, still homemade nutritious water. I actually shared a lot earlier, so today I'm going to talk about two things. Mix nutrient water. That helps the Phalaenopsis root system thrive. Prepare an orange first. Cut off its skin. Prepare another onion. Take his skin. Cut up both skins. Put in container, add boiling water. Then leave it for 3 to 5 hours. After 3 hours, filter the water. Add another 2 liters of water. This diluted nutrient water, it can be used in 3 ways. First, it can be used to wipe the leaves, including front and back. You can wipe this twice a month. If the air quality in your environment is not good, if the dust is large, you can wipe it 3 times. The second way to use it is to pour water into a watering can for spraying care bar. This can also be used twice a month. The third way to use it is to pour the roots. This plant material for watering plants. Then general recommendation, just use it once a month. This is the Phalaenopsis I shared today. Maintenance tips. If you are interested, you can try it. What about this video? Share it here. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.